Are you listening? Good. Don't talk, just listen. You know I love you, right? Okay. Pay attention. I'm only going to say this once, and that's it. People spend their whole lives looking for universal truths, but really it's no great mystery. The truth is simple. Follow your heart, not your head, because your heart is bigger and smarter and wiser and kinder than your head. Your heart is true north. And another thing, don't be a cynical asshole who thinks it's the end of the world every time the sun goes down. Then again, don't be a Pollyannic idiot who thinks everything's fine just because the sun came up this morning. Oh, and another thing. God's not here to solve our problems, to fix everything that's wrong with us and everything that's wrong with the world. The truth is, we are here to solve God's problems. I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. Oh, and one last thing. Honor your wife and daughter. Love them as they should be loved. They ain't gonna be around forever, and neither are you. So enjoy your life. That's it.